Ka Director General of Police DGP Kong Ida Shisha Nongrang Hagakat Southrik Jemang, ka pentib bakatanat pulen kalapha ya kinhun SF10 but arkan hun na Meghalaya Battalion, syakash nong lapangam West Giant Hills, kata sisngi hadian bagi nong snong, kilawantur sya sekretarian, bandawa penbiang paharai kinong ram, namar kajing syak penjulur kijing thung jing tam haki karbi. Kani kajing pak bor pahara kalawan longru, hadin karai bala shimda sembut menteri rangba kajela ubak sengau balang dhar, bat yakaba katanat pulen kala ai kajing kershan ong kakong nongrang. Kalong shisha kajing kabasyong nongrim nakabenta jongki. Kilayay penpau bakat ba nakaliang ka Asam kam shimlakhang yaki bandai ram, Henry ka kabalaja kilalet banram banrang, Henry hakapor menmit kijing thong kiba kila thong kila sya jenrat lun. Kani kadi kajing kabashisha kabakia kendu kala ong. Ka DGP kala benram bakinong lapangam kila penpau kajing sngokya, halor kajing la ban penbiang yaki bor pahara. Kila ong bakim shimlayo ya kajing kershan kababiang nangi, bat ngila persyang ya kababhatam. Ngila pha eki SF10 hakapor bala mit ningkong kani kajing akan an. Kikwa ya kajing don kakinhuan SF10 hakathan, kala ong haba benram ki SF10 kila hiar nika step singi palay, bat kila deban poi hakapor janmien. Halor kajing don ki bor pahara kakong nongrang kala ong, shiperton ya menta bat ngin sapet ya kajing long jingman, ngin sapet lengi don kamne bandang pak beriu syusyu. Ladap pak ru ar perton ki pulit ka Meghalaya Battalion syak tika jaka hakasingi baar balala. Ka DGP kala banjur baka jingdon kamban pak beriu syusyu kan syong haka jinglong jingman. Habangi pak nakabenta bantek lakam ya kasuk kasan, ka syong baro naka kabajia. Kadai kakam kabakala, ngihaban pet ho man ka klip man kalaong. Halur ka jingdawa jong kinong syong snong banbu ya ka police outpost halapangam, ka DGP kala kadaw ya ka barato outpost ka badang syupli, haka sinsat jan balala, bat kabadan tang kumbak kat nriyo haduk kat kendai kilometer na lapangam. Kalakdo baka jingyeng jong ka Asam ban penne ya ka status ko hai ki jaka ki badan ha ka jingya ka jia kalakta ya ka jing thumu ban bu ki jing te ki banne kat bayala de ki la bu ki baya srim ya ka ktam. Kumta ka syong ha ka jinglong jingman ngiru ngin kmi benya ngin sabo ki ktam.
As you are aware, and what Honorable CM has also mentioned, the people of Lapangam had come yesterday. There was a significant turnout. In fact, from what my officers on the ground were saying, the majority of Lapangam village turned out en masse yesterday. So it is a very genuine problem for them. They have been saying that while the Assam side is not stopping the cultivation, but what is happening is they go for the cultivation, and the evenings there, whatever they planted is uprooted during the night. So that was a problem which they are really facing, and then they are saying that we haven't had much of support from us. We've been trying our best. So yesterday the decision that was taken both by the Deputy Chief Minister, which was seconded by us, that we would send in, because of the villagers of Lapangam in the initial period when the problem first flared up, we had sent in our SF, what we call the SF10. Right, so they wanted another presence of SF10 there. They had gone today, and they should be reaching there by now, because they had left early this morning.
How many of them?
Platoon at the moment, and then we'll see, depending on the situation, we will see whether we need to put in more people or not. Because additionally, day before yesterday, we had already sent 2 platoons of Meghalaya Battalion people to Lapangam. It will depend on the situation. When we are deploying for law and order, it all depends on what happens. It's a developing situation, so we would take assessments every now and then. There is also, like with Lapangam, we recently just the other day, last Saturday, we inaugurated the Barato, which is just about I think about 16 or 19 kilometers away. As you are aware, Assam maintains that. What they call, they insist that we maintain status quo. So while they have put up their thing, it's more or less a camp. So depending on the situation, we will also see whether we, from our side, would put up a camp.
Thank you.